Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning eye tracking on or off on iPadOS 18. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Eye tracking is an accessibility feature that allows you to control the iPad cursor with your eyes. If you enable the linger feature, you can even click on items with your eyes by lingering on them. This is a great feature to use if you can't use the touchscreen or keyboard for any reason. To enable eye tracking, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Scroll down the accessibility settings and tap Eye Tracking. Then tap the toggle to the right of eye tracking to enable the setting. You will then have to follow the dots on the screen with your eyes to set up eye tracking. Keep your eyes on the dot until it moves. If you tap the toggle to the right of Dwell Control, then you can keep looking at an item to click on it. You can now use your eyes to navigate around your iPad screen. It will be a bit jumpy at first, but should improve with time. To turn off eye tracking, disable the toggle to the right of eye tracking in the eye tracking settings. Tap Yes on the pop-up to confirm that you would like to disable eye tracking. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.